Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're looking to add a little fun, a splash of color to your bathroom, I think that this rug from BEAU is a beautiful statement piece. It has a bit of a bohemian feel. It's very well made. It has all of these nice tassels around the outside. It's a half moon shape. So I love this in front of my bathtub, but you could also put this in front of your vanity or your sink, anywhere in the house, honestly. The bottom has a nice grippy texture so that it's not slipping and sliding around. It's also very washable, which of course is important, especially for a rug in the bathroom. So you can throw it right into the laundry and you're good to go. It comes in several different colors. This is the sage green, which I think is so pretty and really plays off of my shower curtain, but there's all kinds of options. So if you're looking to mix it up, get a little creative with your decor style, definitely check out this rug, and that's my point of view.